Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. This is Viprajesh. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new Maruti Suzuki Baleno for 2022, which has been leaked online through images of the exterior and interior. Maruti Suzuki is preparing a facelifted, completely updated next-generation Maruti Suzuki Baleno premium hatchback, which is expected to be launched by the month of May next year. Currently, the Baleno is one among the best-selling hatchbacks for Maruti Suzuki and is easily the best seller in the premium hatchback category. The Baleno premium hatchback was first introduced in the year 2015 and then was given a facelift in the year 2019. Now that it's time for a new second-generation model of the hatchback, the Baleno is all set to get a complete upgrade in terms of looks, interiors and features. First of all, in terms of looks, while the new Baleno is expected to be exactly the same in terms of length, it is expected to be wider than the existing model, thus providing better stability and interior space. From the leaked images, it is clear that the design is going to be evolutionary, with the overall design language and elements carried forward from the existing model. For example, the V-shaped front grille will be more wider and will merge into the headlamps, which will also be wider and sleeker than before. The bonnet will receive a larger power bulge, lending the new Baleno a more aggressive stance. Just like the existing model, the top spec variants will get all LED headlamps with LED fog lamps and LED DRLs. Just like the front, the rear fascia will also receive an evolutionary treatment. The curved LED tail lamps will now get extensions into the tailgate, thus making the overall design quite similar to the tail lamps of the Honda WRV. From the side profile too, the new Baleno will get more muscular wheel arches and sleeker lines. Along with the exterior, the interior will also receive some major changes with a completely all-new design dashboard, door panels and a whole lot more features. The dashboard will feature a swooping design with 4 aluminum finish running across the width with a centrally mounted freestanding touchscreen infotainment system quite similar to the Tata Altroz. However, the Baleno will get a larger touchscreen system than the Altroz, which is likely to have a better user interface and more integrated features. The AC vents are also completely new in terms of design, and just like the Hyundai i20, the automatic climate control console will have toggle type switches placed just below the AC vents. The new 2022 Baleno will also have the flat-bottom steering wheel borrowed from the Maruti Suzuki Swift, and from the images, it is clear that this steering wheel will also feature cruise control. The instrument cluster will also be changed in terms of design and will also feature a more improved color TFT centrally mounted multi-information display. On the right side of the steering wheel, there will be 3 arrays of buttons, which will include various functions and features of the car, including engine auto start-stop function, the rear camera monitor, cruise control and the button to turn off the traction control. Yes, this new next generation Maruti Suzuki Baleno will also feature ESP with traction control along with hill hold, at least on the top spec variants. Other expected features on the new Baleno include an electric sunroof, rear AC vents, new design 16-inch alloy wheels and connected car features. The powertrain, however, is expected to be exactly the same, with a more improved version of the 1.2-litre 4-cylinder K-series booster-jet petrol engine, producing 83 PS of maximum power and 130 Nm of maximum torque, while also being mated to a smart hybrid system with automatic start-stop technology for better fuel economy. When launched later next year, this new 2022 Baleno is likely to be priced at a slight premium over the existing current generation model and will go up against the likes of the Tata Altroz and the Hyundai i20. Stay tuned for further details regarding the new 2022 Maruti Suzuki Baleno. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.